Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is C. Store.
C. 6.
Knight. F. 3.
D. 5.
A. 3.
Knight. F. 6.
Knight. C. 3.
E. 6.
B. 3.
Knight. B. D. 7.
Queen. C. 2.
Bishop. D. 6.
Bishop. A. 2.
Castles kingside.
Bishop. B. 2.
Rook. E. 8.
Castles kingside.
Queen. E. 7.
What? F. D. 1.
A. 6.
D. Store.
D. Captures on C. 4.
B. Captures on C. Store.
E. 5.
C. 5.
Bishop. C. 7.
D. Captures on A. 5.
Knight. Captures on E. 5.
Knight. A. Store.
Knight. E. G. 4.
Bishop. D. 3.
Knight. E. 4.
Bishop. Captures on A. Store.
Queen. Captures on E. 4.
Queen. Captures on A. Store.
Rook. Captures on E. 4.
Knight. B. 6.
Rook. B. 8.
H. 3.
Knight. F. 6.
Bishop. A. 5.
Knight. E. 8.
Bishop. Captures on C. 7.
Knight. Captures on C. 7.
What? A. B. 1.
Rook. E. 8.
Knight. Captures on C. 8.
Rook. E. Captures on C. 8.
Knight. A. 5.
Knight D5.
Knight D7.
Knight C3.
Knight captures on B8.
Knight captures on D1.
White captures on B7. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.